Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the Sounce Bluetooth car adapter. We can see the product itself through this clear plastic packaging, and there is also some information on the front which includes no need to plug in aux audio cable, no drivers needed, and a long operating distance of up to 10 meters. On the back of the package, we have some illustrations of how the device can be used with TVs and computing devices like laptops and headphones. Over here, we have another illustration which demonstrates the use of this device with smartphones and speakers. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user manual. It helps you understand the various functions and uses of the device. For example, putting it into receiving mode or launch mode. Uh, we recommend that you read through this thoroughly to understand the device properly. We also have an audio cable. It's approximately 20 inches long overall, and it has a 3.5 mm audio jack on each end. Both jacks are of the TRS kind. Lastly, we have the Bluetooth transmitter and receiver itself. It is pretty compact, just like a normal flash drive. It has a multifunction button right in the middle of it on the top, and this will help you toggle through the transmitter or receiver modes or put it into pairing mode. Up top, we have a USB Type A interface, and on the other end, we have a 3.5 mm female audio jack. The back is pretty simple and there's nothing there to talk about. So let's see this device in action now. What this device basically can be used for is in case, let's say, your car does not have Bluetooth built in, this can compensate for it by giving you Bluetooth technology and let you use the car speakers wirelessly. It can also be used to transmit audio files. So what you can use this device for is you can plug this into a laptop PC that does not have Bluetooth, and it can play the files on the laptop. And if you have a set of wireless headphones, it can transmit the audio to those wireless headphones as well. Let's demonstrate one of these applications now. For the purposes of this video, we will be connecting the device to a laptop PC. You need to connect it into an appropriate USB Type A receptacle. And as we can see, it is flashing blue to signify that it is in pairing mode. Next, we need to take the audio cable, plug one end of it into the device itself, and the other end goes into the laptop. So now, when you play music on the laptop, you can listen to the music being played using a wireless set of headphones once those headphones are paired with this device. So, this was the unpackaging of the Sounce Bluetooth car adapter. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.